Hey everyone, so I want to give a shout out to Yesoul for sending me their stationary bike. This absolutely could not have come at a better time because since the passing of my father, I've been in a bit of a depression and that has made me gain like a lot of weight. So this stationary bike is going to be perfect for me to get back on my health journey and start being more active. So thank you guys so much for sending this to me. Now on this video, I'm going to focus more on how you can use this bike without a membership because a lot of people ask that question, do you have to have the membership? And no, you don't. I'm going to show you how to hook it up with your phone, and it's going to basically cast to the screen. This is a really good looking bike and it's constructed very well. My son helped me put it together in no time. So one of the features that is awesome about it is that this screen can actually turn 360. I turned it to a certain angle and I turned it back, but it actually can go all the way around 360. So the screen is adjustable. You can also adjust other features on the bike, such as the resistance, the height of the seat, as well as the handlebars. I'm kind of a short girl, so me personally, I just prefer my seat to be down low. That's how I like riding it. So I'm gonna plug it in so you guys can see how it works. The screen is going to give you real-time data interactions such as the distance, time, calories, and cadence. And did I mention that it has a 21.5 full high definition 1080p screen? So you're going to get some good quality on here, which I'm going to show it to you guys once I hook my phone up. But as you can see right here, I am lowering the resistance because I have not worked out in a while. So now I can actually pedal, but you can make it the resistance harder if you would like to. Now this is the part where I'm going to plug in my phone. I have an Android, but it also works with iPhone as well. So now I'm just going to quickly go through how to download the app and set it up. This is what the app looks like. Just type in Yesoul and this is Red app. So once I download that to my phone, I'm going to go to open and you're going to hit next, register, put in all your metrics, and then I'm going to skip over that part. So once I've did all of that, it lets me log into the app here. And as you can say, it's asking for a subscription, but just hit the X and you can X out of that. Once you hit the plus at the top, allow all of the permissions and everything. And then I'm going to hook up the bike with Bluetooth. So this is the G1M Plus. So I actually went to the wrong one at first, and you're going to see that it's going to tell me that it's not found because it's actually the G1M Plus. And I accidentally touched the G1 Plus. All right, so now I'm showing you right here where I'm trying to connect and it says connection failed. So I'm going to hit the connect again because the G1M popped up and now it's asking for my Wi-Fi. So once you put your Wi-Fi information in, put your password in, then it's going to connect with your bike. So now we're ready for business. All right, so now that we have all of that hooked up, here is where you can see it is definitely mirroring my phone. So I'm just basically going to show you, you can go to YouTube, scroll down, look at whatever you want to look at, and it shows right on your screen. I'm going to go over here to Instagram, well actually TikTok. We're on TikTok right here, and you can see exactly what I'm seeing right here on the screen on TikTok. So you can work out while you're looking at videos. This is my channel on TikTok right here, and I'm just showing you guys this video and it's playing just fine. So if you guys don't follow me on TikTok, make sure you head over there because sometimes I'm a little more active on that platform. Now let's go over to Instagram where we can see what's going on over here. I'm not on Instagram as much as the other apps, but I'm just showing you that you can log onto your Instagram and check your whatever you want to look at while you're riding your bike. And here is my social media on Instagram in case you want to follow me on here as well. Here's one of my recent videos that did really well. So just showing you that little tidbit. All right, so now we're going to head over here to Netflix. So you can even look at movies while you're working out, which is a plus. And I'm going to let you guys hear how the audio actually sounds on here.
And his land.
And if he refuses?
He will never refuse. He wants to live and he wants to be called king.
So did y'all just hear how good that speaker sounds? Like, it is definitely loud. It has decent bass. Another plus is that you can use your earbuds just in case you don't want to listen to the speaker or disturb people in your house.
Diana. Music would become Deborah's go-to for peace and solitude. Her mother also sang and played guitar and piano. The family's home was constantly filled. Deborah admits that since she was in front she resort.
So overall, I think this bike is definitely worth the price, because if you look at Peloton, they're starting at like $1,400 and up. This bike is a fraction of that price. Plus, my subscribers can get a $100 off coupon. So that brings the price down even more. This doesn't take up a lot of room in the house. It has wheels on the front so that you can move it easily. You can even surf the web right here. I'm showing you where I'm just on Google. Just you can check your emails, whatever you need to do while you're on here. You can, whatever you can do on your phone, you can literally do it on this stationary bike as well. Checking the weather, whatever you need to do while you're getting your workout in. Now, going back over here to the app, it does give you the option to have a membership in case you want to do like special workouts or, you know, do things through the app as far as, you know, workouts on the screen. But literally, you do not have to use that feature. You can use this bike without that feature. All you need to do is go to YouTube and search up a stationary bike workout, as you see me doing right here. Click on it, and there you go. You got a free workout without having to subscribe to any type of membership. So that's a quick little hack right there. So I'm on YouTube right now actually looking for a video so I can show you guys how easy it is to just look up videos. Here's just a random one that I found, and as you can see, it's just like a 20-minute workout, and you can do it with YouTube. And here's my son. He's actually rigged up his laptop, so if you need to do work on your laptop, he's listening to music and he's playing a game while on the bike working out. So it's very much so like anybody can use this. Anybody can use it. You can get your work done. You can look at movies. You can have fun, whatever you want to do. So make sure you guys let me know what you think down in the comment box. Make sure to use the coupon code if you would like to get this and start working out at home. As you can see, I'm definitely going to start using this and working out at home. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. So if you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know. Thanks for watching.